what I really like about this event is like a few patients that I saw, actually they never get acupuncture, so this was their first introduction to the acupuncture. So I think we did a good job in like just getting it close enough, like just getting 2 needles, so they're not like too much afraid of it, but then they kind of get the feeling what it is. So I like that. I also like that I kind of get to meet the future students here there, and I'm happy they kind of come to this event so that they actually get to know their school and in real sense like what we're doing.
From the setup, from the enthusiasm of all the students, the patients who came to see us, I think we did a great job to represent our school, our community, and I think a lot of patients were quite satisfied even though we gave them a short treatment.
I think this event is a great opportunity for everybody to come and learn about TCM, because most of our locals do not have an idea of what TCM is. So it is a great brief introduction for the community, and also just being able to reach out to anybody and everybody possible, both virtually and in person.